Hi everyone, let's talk about nice squeeze of the Nutex Health. They were up as high as 208%. Since that they decreased, but anyway, those who are did investments in this company, for example, a week ago, could profit a lot of this pump. This is not actually first one. The first one in the year was in April 4th. The price were back then $40 at the close actually. So that's a pretty nice percentage there. Yeah, 900%. That's pretty nice. But anyway, if we keep going further, maximum over 1,600% up. So we've seen this kind of pump and down move already earlier. There was nothing much going on through the years, but once again, there is some volatility. Keep in mind that whenever there's short interest is growing, there might be some squeezes going on, but be careful with your capital. Try not to invest all your money in some stocks. Let's take a look at the company. It's operating as a technology-enabled healthcare services company. It's trading at 45% below the site's estimated fair valuation. Earnings grew by 95% over the past year. So they have this kind of fundamental stuff already at the good level, because the Snowflake analyze also showing good financial health. For example, 5 out of 6 past performance, 3 out of 6, and valuation 3 out of 6. But on the risk side, there's the shares are highly illiquid, which means that pretty much every middle and bigger owner could affect or impact highly to the price, and the price would be highly volatility and high level of non-cash earnings. So keep that in mind. Anyway, it's not showing somehow the 1-year return, but anyway, the U.S. healthcare services are down 35%. The industry, and here we see, by the way, 7-day return 14.5%. This is actually calculated based on previous day closed. About the company, founded, nothing information here. I'm not sure. Actually, last year, I'm not sure how it's actually showing previous year's data. If it's it's the number of employees. Sorry. I'm not sure when it was founded. I guess nothing information there. But anyway, employees 1,500. Fundamental summary showing that revenues already having 375 million. Earnings some positive. PE ratio 18. This is actually fundamentally best companies that I researched recently. Maybe not so recently, because every company did not had calculated PE ratio, so keep that in mind. Simple Wall Street showed that fair valuation should be around $8. So we are there already. Unfortunately, Tip Ranks has nothing information, no recent analyst rating found for the company, and also the Market Watch does not have any price targets, unfortunately. Let's keep this information. It's not so important in my opinion. Future growth 33%, not for the company but to the healthcare industry. Past performance 3 out of 6. It's coming from the growing profit margin, earnings vs industry, and a high ROE. So the dynamic you see below, actually growing fast and big, but they have high level of non-cash earnings, which any report profits that are not backed by cash, which the company has received. I'm not kind of sure, did they sell something, for example, balance sheet or equities. I'm not sure where the high level of non-cash earnings come from. If you are knowing what this is about, you can comment down below on the video. Financial health, 5 of the 6. Only reducing the depth is not past this test. They have depth, they have growing equity, and cash level is growing also. So last reported, unfortunately, there's no so fresh data. September 30th, cash 34 million, depth 91. So it's not, the cash level is not covering the depth, and equity is actually a lot. Balance sheet looks pretty nicely green. They're not paying dividends, and to the ownership breakdown. So yeah, insider transactions, no volumes there. General public holding half of the shares, insiders 43, and private company 6.5. And actually nothing information here on the top shareholders. Not sure why they don't refresh these ones. And also I didn't find Infinvis, the company. We could check some points in the technical aspects. But anyway, let's check the dynamic of the shares outstanding. There's actually only one number, 48 million. We can compare this one to any whatsoever numbers. The sales are growing, which is good. And sales growth are last 12 months showing that 182%. So I'm not sure if this is because of the earning updates or the short squeeze. Maybe there's some kind of insider news. I'm not sure. Heavy volume. Not sure. We'll see. I hope this video clarifies about the project, about the company. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the video one.